Hey guys, as some of you, or rather most of you, would have noticed, the name of the channel, which is vFanatic, changed it to Ayan Talks Tech, and I'll get to the reasons why. Now, when I started the channel a while ago, in fact, it's been quite a long while ago, I think it's been around 12 years now. The reason I started the channel was very simple, to give back to the community in terms of the virtualization technology knowledge that I had working in VMware. Now, VMware was the first platform wherein I actually got into the world of virtualization. But as many of you know, I moved on from VMware a long time ago. In fact, it's been 12 years I moved on to the HCI platform, and I've been working there ever since, right? So no technology is actually the perfect technology when it comes to running a workload. It's just something we consciously choose. And the reason for the change in name is very simple. The world has practically moved on. So if you look around, virtualization was at its infancy a couple of years ago. It sort of matured. And now we've kind of got into the wherein people are actually moving and talking about LLMs. The cloud has actually come and gone. Cloud, the boom came around 2012, 2013, and maybe a little bit after that as well. But as you can see, nobody actually talks about the cloud anymore, all right? It's actually moved on, the market's moved on. Of course, people still build applications in the cloud, but then it's not as restrictive a platform as what it used to be a couple of years ago. Now, the reason for that change is very simple. We've now got machines. For example, I actually have an M1 MacBook Pro with 16 GB of RAM. That's sufficient for me to run a large language model completely offline on my desktop, right? It's been such a sea change over time. So here's what I'll be doing over time with this particular channel. As this is the first channel I've started. I want to keep it running, but I want to actually give back to you guys. And so what I've decided to do is, instead of talking about VMware, I'll actually broaden the channel to cover everything else in tech. So here's my request to you guys. If you need suggestions, or rather if you need help with a particular technology that you're not familiar with, if you need help with VMware, if you need help with any other allied technologies that you work on, reach out to me. I'm there to help. So here's what we can do. We can actually do like a live session every couple of weeks or so. Or if you really want help, you can reach out to me directly. Either DM me, or you can actually write below my videos, comment below my videos as to what you guys want to actually look for, right? In terms of technology stack, in terms of troubleshooting skills, in terms of any other components that are there. Now, in the meantime, what I'll be doing with this channel is I'll actually try talking about the technological aspects of where technology, I think, is moving to. And it's not very hard to see. So, for example, if you look at across the tech, or rather sidelines right now, you'll find that there are major shifts happening all around us, right? Technology is not really bound by a server or an operating system or anything of that sort right now. Linux has taken off, open source has taken off, and what we thought was impossible, wherein the big leaders like Microsoft, etc., would actually not allow the open source market to prevail. Here we are, where majority of our application stacks that we build are currently running on open source software, right? So that's all about this particular video. We'll be talking a little bit more about context, a little bit more about technology shifts, a little bit more about technology in every episode that I put forward on the channel. I'll try to make each episode that is me talking directly to the camera to you guys. In case you're interested in a particular topic, as usual, let me know and we can discuss. The topic need not be defined by any specific technologies. So, for example, if you want me to do a live troubleshooting, let me know and I can jump on. Or if you want me to actually delve into any other aspects of technology, we can do that as well. Right? So with that, this is me signing off. And before I go, if you want to know a little bit about me, about the work I do, about the books I published, etc., I will actually include a brief description in the description box below, which you can go and find out. Right? I'll give you context as to whom have you been following all these years, and you'll get a little bit more context about what I've been up to. Having said that, this is Ayan signing out. Take care. Bye.